The significance of teamwork. Teamwork holds immense significance in all aspects of life, whether it pertains to academic environments, professional settings, or personal relationships. Cooperation among individuals when combined with specific goals and complementary skills can yield remarkable results. This essay explores the myriad advantages and aspects of teamwork, shedding light on the collaboration's ability to enhance productivity, foster innovation, promote personal growth, and forge strong bonds among team members. Empowering individuals to collaborate harmoniously and pool their strengths together, teamwork undoubtedly plays a pivotal role in overcoming challenges and achieving success. One of the primary benefits of teamwork is its ability to amplify productivity. By dividing tasks among team members, work can proceed simultaneously, reducing the burdensome weight of individual responsibility. As each team member focuses on specific aspects of a project or task, they can devote their full attention to their assigned area of expertise, resulting in increased efficiency. Moreover, collaboration allows for a broader range of ideas, perspectives, and skills to be brought to the table, spurring creativity and yielding comprehensive solutions to problems that may otherwise have seemed insurmountable. Teamwork is synonymous with innovation, offering a platform where individuals with diverse backgrounds and expertise can collaborate to generate novel ideas. Conducive team environments encourage members to share their unique perspectives, sparking discussions that lead to valuable breakthroughs. By promoting an open exchange of thoughts, team members can challenge preconceived notions, explore new avenues, and experiment with fresh approaches. Consequently, the synergistic effect of teamwork often results in innovative solutions that surpass individual contributions, empowering the team to tackle complex challenges with confidence and adaptability. Participating in a team allows for personal growth and continuous learning. Through teamwork, individuals have the opportunity to gain insights from their peers, expanding their knowledge base and refining their skills. Collaboration fosters a sense of interdependence, encouraging team members to capitalize on one another's strengths and offer support where needed. By working alongside individuals with different perspectives and experience, each team member is exposed to diverse ideas, approaches, and techniques, enabling personal growth and development. Additionally, teamwork cultivates crucial interpersonal skills such as effective communication, conflict resolution, and mutual support, resulting in well-rounded individuals. Teamwork establishes strong bonds among team members, fostering a sense of camaraderie and shared accomplishment. By collaborating toward a common goal, individuals learn to trust and rely on each other, creating an environment conducive to open communication and cooperation. Shared triumphs and setbacks further solidify these bonds, generating a sense of unity and camaraderie that extends beyond the confines of the team. Consequently, these relationships enhance overall job satisfaction and team dynamics while nurturing a sense of belonging and boosting motivation among team members. In conclusion, teamwork serves as a cornerstone for success in various aspects of life. By capitalizing on the diverse skills and knowledge of individuals, teamwork maximizes productivity, promotes innovation, encourages personal growth, and fosters strong relationships. Through collaboration, teams can achieve more comprehensive and creative solutions, sharing the workload and overcoming challenges more effectively. Additionally, teamwork provides a platform for continuous learning and development while building lasting bonds among team members. Recognizing the significance of teamwork allows individuals to work harmoniously, harnessing the collective power of their strengths and utilizing collaboration as a catalyst for growth, achievement, and success.